Hi everyone, this is Taylor again from digitalnativesed.com, and today we're going to be talking about Kahoot. So, who is best suited to use Kahoot? Well, teachers whose classes have access to the internet through BYOD, one-to-one, or class sets are perfect candidates for Kahoot. So we know that not every student is going to have a device in every classroom, but Kahoot can still be used well where students have the ability to share devices and work together in small groups. What is Kahoot? Kahoot is a great way to engage students through fun multiple choice learning games. When do you even use something like this? Well, the most obvious times are during pre-assessment and post-assessment or review activities. Post-assessment and review activities, based on what we have seen from the teachers using it actively in the classroom right now, seem to be the most popular times because it is kind of a fast-paced, fun environment, so it's not a great time for students to be learning new content. It's really best suited to review. That said, there are some great new features of Kahoot that allow it to be used mid-lesson for discussion-based activities. So think beyond just giving quizzes, but you can get students' opinions and use that to facilitate really great discussions and debate, which support element 30 in the Marzano framework. Where do you use Kahoot? Well, Kahoot works best in a whole group setting. So if you've broken your class out into small groups, that's really not the time that you want to bring in like a loud, fun, exciting game. You really want to use it when the whole class can be engaged in this activity at the same time. Why do you want to even do something like this? Well, gamification is a huge movement in the classroom right now, and we want to do everything we can to engage students. And this sort of activity that's high energy, fun, exciting, and that also offers this little bit of competition fits directly into the desires of our students. So it also supports element 25, which gives students friendly competition. So I would strongly encourage you to fit it into your lessons where it seems appropriate. A great bonus of Kahoot is that you can use Kahoot and let the students do the work. So it's great when you can create the Kahoots and really frame it around the lesson that you need the students to be understanding. But you can also let students create the Kahoots for themselves and pick the best ones and let the class play. How do we do it? Well, let's practice. Once you're in Kahoot, you're going to have something that looks like this. And let's start today by making a quiz. So you're going to click here on quiz and you're going to give it a name. Now, I've already started a quiz, so go ahead and have something to show you. So I'm going to click on My Kahoot, which is where you'll go when your Kahoots are also ready to be played. So right now I'm going to edit mine. So I have question 1. What makes up nearly all, around 99%, of a great panda's diet? So this is a points question, and it has a 20-second time limit. So this can be changed all the way up to 120 seconds or as little as 5. And students get more points the quicker they're able to answer the question. You can include pictures and images here if those are helpful for your question, and you can also include video. Then down at the bottom, you're going to create your answer bank. So you can have 4 answers or you can cut it down to 2, but 4 is the most. So I did this for each of my questions, and then when you have your correct answer, you can have more than one correct answer, but you'll indicate by clicking on the box at the bottom to show which one is the one that is correct. So at each point, you'll just say add questions. So that's how you're going to put a new question into your quiz. And you can see here that I have 5 questions. So I'm going to delete this one. But I have my 5 questions here. So I'm going to save and continue. And now it shows my summary of questions. I can reorder them if I want to. It shows how many choices and how long each question is going to allow the students to answer. I save and continue. It's in English. This is a public quiz that can be shared by others. My primary audience is school. And then the other information is optional, but I did go ahead and select it as beginner since it's more of an elementary level quiz. And from here, I'm done. So from here, we can actually let the students play now. You can share your Kahoot with other users via these avenues, but you can also go to play now. So what you'll do is you are going to launch, and it shows the students that they need to get out their phone, tablet, or laptop, and they are going to go to the Kahoot website, and they will actually hear this great music that, believe it or not, the students really like. The students will go to kahoot.it and they'll enter the pin, and then once everyone's ready to go, you'll start the game and let them play. It's super fun, super engaging, and I think your students will love it. I hope you'll come back and visit us at digitalnativesed.com and see some more of our tutorials. We look forward to working with you.